Hey guys, in this video we are sharing heartbreaking news. Suzie Etu and Alex Morehouse have tragically passed away in a motorcycle accident. Reports say their bike lost control and crashed into a car. Sadly, both of them died on this spot. Suzie and Alex were loved for their fun, love, spirit, and close friendship. Social media is flooded with tributes from friends, fans, and loved ones, all mourning this sudden loss. It's a painful reminder of how unpredictable life can be. Our thoughts and prayers go out to their families during this incredibility through time. Rest in peace, Suzie and Alex. So please guys like and share for more updates.